Welcome! If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your Xiaomi Redmi 6A, for the first you have to open the notification bar, activate the Bluetooth with this icon. Of course, do the same on the second smartphone, and right now just enter the Bluetooth by holding this Bluetooth icon. Let's check the rarely used devices, and we are looking for the Huawei P30 Pro. We can do the same on the second smartphone, and here I got the Redmi Hard Reset, so click on it. Accept the pair on the both devices. And right now, oh sorry, I double clicked, so I'm going back, and right now we got our Huawei in the paired devices. So this is how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.